floor is open. Please raise your hand if you have a question, and our team will hand over the microphone.
Hi there, I'm Gus Cabrera from ClickMe2.com. Yes. Alright. Wait a second, please. Because I've written down my question. Okay. So how does this partnership support ProLife's UK's mission?
So, thank you po, Gus. Nice to meet you. So, as I've mentioned earlier, of course, we wanted Mix to actually help us promote financial literacy. Because from awareness and education, that's where we build a financially resilient country. So, of course, yung awareness is the root. Yung Pilipinas, we are part of the low to middle income economy. And right now, the insurance penetration is really, really low. At like 1.8%. Yung protection gap, sobra din pong laki. So, of course, this partnership will help drive that awareness and education so that we can protect more Filipinos.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Gus. Anybody else? Please raise your hand so that the microphone can be given to you.
Hi, I'm Ray. Good afternoon. Congratulations. I'm Ray from BoyRocket.com and Pinoy Active. My question is, as we know, like the people in the 20s and the 30s are very, let's say, very much into yung masyado silang active and all. And may mga sarili silang mga goals, no? So, for you guys, so I think both of you can answer. Meron bang plan in ProLife that is non-negotiable na dapat meron sila?
Well, sa pagbili po kasi ng insurance product, we all base it from the needs of the customer. So I think ngayon kailangan nating, well, of course, our insurance or financial agents' responsibility is to be able to guide our customers to have the right product and protection for them depending on their needs, depending on their life stage. So, and of course, one of our key objectives is also to make insurance very accessible and relatable and meaningful. So in fact, we have products na sobrang affordable po that they can actually buy online. Because from there, pwede na silang magsimula for a financially secure future.
At least sir, from my perspective, dahil siguro lahat tayo, we all have our risks in our own industries, in our own hobbies, in our own interests. And I mean, real talk, right? When we get to talk to friends that are insurance agents, it's usually like, okay, how do you prepare for your eventual demise? At sa usaping Pilipino, ang usaping pagkamatay or death is very taboo. But I believe that yun po yung binibreak natin. Kasi sabihin ng nanay natin, tatay natin, kapag itong usapan, uy, huwag mo naman sabihin na, huwag mong isipin. But all the more that we should just be aware of that eventual reality. If we are aware of that eventual reality, we are better to prepare for it. So, katulad po sa akin, kunwari, I do mga long distance kasi as an athlete, quote-unquote, Ms. Katz knows this, na kapag when you run long distance, when you put your body in extreme stress, kahit healthy ka, maaaring pwedeng maraming mangyari. And dahil ginusto ko to as a sport, importante na hindi lang yung sarili ko yung isipin ko. Isipin ko yung pamilya ko. So, wag naman sana mangyari, pero at least alam kong prepared ako kung sakali man. But, of course, again, I've said it earlier in the video, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Yun po, for me.
Thank you. I have a follow-up, Sir Migs. ProLife UK is known for its listening, understanding, delivering promise. Can you share a time when you felt truly listened to regarding your own financial goals?
ProLife, sir? Of course, kasi I believe that, you know, that's why this partnership is truly aligned with who I am. Is because people like Ms. Katz, they and the team, they do understand that we are in an evolving world. That, if I may share, Ms. Katz is also as an athlete as well. So parang gets na rin yung pinagdadaanan ko. And doon pa lang naramdaman na okay, since we know what you're going through as an individual and as an institution, we really do believe, as she said, we can really work together on the bigger picture that preparing for not just protection, but investment. We have to make our money grow for us. Na, sige, marami nga, sabi nga rin ni Ms. Katz, financial literacy, marami pa rin pong Pilipino ang walang bank account. Marami pa rin mga Pilipino na nangungutang sa mga loan shark, pasensya na sa term, sa mga 5-6, sa mga paluwagan. And at the same time, paano tayo makakapunta doon kung yung basic education di natin na-address? So, through the virtues and principles of being an athlete, through discipline, through mindset, through goal setting, na-apply natin yun sa buhay natin. Ma-apply din natin siya sa mga practices natin as we prepare for our lives.
Ako naman po to supplement, because I think I'm at that stage in my life wherein, I'm already planning for retirement. So pag gano'n, hindi, hindi lang po halata, nagpagupit ko. But I'm already at that stage. I'm, turning 50 in 2 years. And of course, I'm at that stage na I'm already thinking of how can I retire early. Because as Mix pointed out nga, diba, we're faced with so many pressures in life. And yung daily pressures na yun, syempre, you have to assess, right? So, ang una ko pong ginawa when I joined True Life UK, I just turned a year old a couple of months ago, was to talk to an agent. Kasi gusto ko na nakalatag lahat nung insurance policies that I've bought and then identify yung gap na meron ako. And of course, even if I live a healthy lifestyle, we found out actually that we still lack the health protection or coverage. So from that assessment, that's where we actually decided to really, add up to our health coverage. And another policy to, of course, help us with the retirement. Kasi syempre yung iniisip mo, pag matanda ka na, hindi ka na magtatrabaho, dapat meron kang income na pumapasok sa'yo on a yearly basis to be able to support your life and your lifestyle.
Thank you so much. We have more questions over here.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Cloud from Modern Mama PH. Ito po yung tanong ko, what can the public expect from this collaboration this coming months?
Okay, well,
Thank you.
syempre secret po. It's our anniversary year, so we expected, of course, we'll be very noisy and we'll be everywhere. I'm not sure if you guys have been following True Life UK, but first quarter pa lang nung taon, sobrang aggressive na namin. We were sponsors of hot air balloon for one, and then our Binondo Chinese New Year. We were also part of the New Year's Eve celebration up the New Year of BGC. So parang yung salvo pa lang nung beginning of the year, sobrang ingay na namin. And of course, we expect that we sustain this aggressiveness in terms of presence all throughout the year, not only here in BGC, but also in areas where we operate nationwide. And of course, lahat ng mga yon will be in partnership and we'll have some involvement with Mix. Marami po siyang avenues where he can help promote financial literacy, so that's also part of the arrangement. And we have a big event coming up on our anniversary month and leading to our anniversary month.
Wow, it looks like there really is so much to look forward to in the coming months, but I guess you guys will have to be prepared for all that. A surprise in the future. Okay, we have more questions.
Good afternoon po. Miss Katz or Mix, congratulations, sir. I'm Dem De Jesus po from the Freeman. Question lang po, how does it feel to be welcomed as a new ambassador of True Life? And what made you decide to partner with the company?
Hello po ma'am, good afternoon. Well, tao lang, real talk lang. Feels surreal. Dahil also, besides what I do, a big part of my life on how I'm able to live it is because of my family. Shoutout ko lang yung wife ko, she's here today, si Mishi. She supports all my endeavors. She supports my career, my athlete life. And I believe, totoo po yun, and of course, Happy Women's Month sa lahat po ng women today. And all the more that we should be really talking about it and stressing about it to support women and what, kumbaga, you make the world go round, di ba? Without women, di ba? Hindi kami mabubuhay, hindi namin maalagaan ng maayos yung mga anak namin. And we'll be able to take care of family. I ramble. But overall, what made me decide to partner with True Life UK, it was an easy yes. Because we're both aligned with our purpose. My why is my family. And a big part of True Life's message to the Filipinos is that culture of family. Bakit mo ba kailangan bumili ng insurance? Bakit mo kailangan mag-invest sa lahat ng mga ito, ng mga produktong ito? Dahil ang poprotektahan mo at the end of the day, yung pamilya mo. Filipinos are selfless people. Marami tayong mga Filipinos that are breadwinners, single moms, single dads, that they have devoted their lives only to their children, only to their families. And I align with them, and I very much resonate with them. And for this partnership to come alive, and hopefully in the coming years, alam ko that my purpose and my principles that are aligned in my purpose because of True Life UK.
Thank you, Migs. I think you are a prime example of practicing what you preach.
Actually, just to add to that, si Migs po, advocate na ng brand even before we got him as an ambassador. So, I think it was also the easiest decision for True Life UK because he has been part of like the activities of True Life and really, you know, the perfect ambassador for us. And bumili rin po siya ng policy on his own. So he's a proud policy owner even before he became an advocate and an ambassador.
Okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Ms. Kat and Sir Mix, and congratulations. I'm Richard Gabona from Edge Davao. So I have two questions. So my first question is, how does this partnership address the changing needs of Filipino families today? Yes.
Syempre po, as I pointed out earlier, si Migs will be able to help us as a husband and as a family man, as a father, to really inspire more people to actually take proactive steps in securing their family's future. But of course, kaakibat po nun yung financial literacy and awareness. Kasi I think it stems from that. Kung yung mga Pilipino hindi nila alam na kailangan nila ng protection at bakit importante yung protection sa family nila, then hindi po yun mangyayari. So, and I think with mixed influence in the industry, of course, being as a broadcaster, a personality, and the many hats that he wears, and the many mediums na he is present in, makakatulong po yun sa amin.
Okay, for Sir Mix, thank you, Ms. Kat. As a brand ambassador, how can you help make financial literacy more relatable and less intimidating?
Actually, sir, just by being authentic. Di ba po ang mundo ngayon, we just want rawness, authenticity. That's why the rise of online is here, right? Just to be practical about it, marami tayong sinusundan ng mga vloggers, content creators, because at a big point, we resonate with them. And ako naman po, my social media, di ko naman, to be honest, hindi ako mahirap pakipagsabayan na maging content creator. It's tough. I have a lot of respect for the work. But at the end of the day, I just do me. And a lot of that, the content that I put out is authenticity and storytelling. Perhaps yun po yung discipline na nakuha ko in my profession in media. Is because, yes, we are on cam, we are on TV, we are on radio, but hindi po kami yung subject. So, every time that we put out content, it's something that I experience. I don't claim to be an expert. It's something that I experience na maaaring a person, 2 persons, or 10 persons that will be able to relate to. And I believe influence is not just by engagement, it's not just by likes, it's not just by all the partnerships, but it's actually being able to touch lives and being able to empower them to take action. If a millennial dad like me also has 2 kids and he needs to protect his family, and we need to get and we be able to put the message out there, and you actually empower him to actually, oh, sige nga, na-curious, kailangan ko pa nang bumili ng insurance, protection, and investment for my family. Then, I know that I've did my purpose. I am living my purpose because of that. Thank you.
I love that. Authenticity is definitely key. Anybody else? Please just raise your hand if you have any more questions. Last call. All right, it looks like you guys have asked all your questions. Thank you so much to our media partners for your very thought-provoking questions, and to Sir Migs and Miss Katz for giving us very insightful answers as well. Now, today's partnership between ProLife UK and Migs Bustos definitely reflects a shared belief that